Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. My name's Molly. If you are new here, I do weekly meal prepping and lots of healthy recipes in between. I do my lunch meal prepping on Saturdays, and then I do lots of other meals during the week. So make sure you click the subscribe button and click the bell next to subscribe. You'll get a notification each time I post a new video. Tons of videos coming up. So I hope that you guys click that subscribe button, and I hope that you enjoy all of the videos that I have, and hope that it gives you some motivation to do some meal prepping and some healthy eating. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 different keto tortilla wraps, and I make them in my air fryer. So let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. I think they're all delicious, but I use these carb balance tortillas. So you can use a regular tortilla if you're not trying to go low carb, but these ones are 8 carbs per tortilla. So it's awesome. I'm gonna make 4 different ones for you guys. So like I said, let me know which one is your favorite, and I'm gonna get them all going, and I'll show you how I put them in my air fryer to cook them up. So they're like, I call them a Keto Crunchwrap. So I hope that you guys enjoy these. The first one I'm gonna make is a taco keto crunch wrap. So I have my low carb tortilla, and I like to use the burrito size, and I'm going to add on 4 different ingredients that you would usually put in a taco. So I'm gonna add first some sour cream into one of the sections. So there's basically 4 sections, so you can pick 4 different items to put into each little section of the tortilla. So I'm going to spread out a layer of sour cream, and I'm going to add in a little bit of avocado. You can do avocado or salsa or anything you'd like to add, but I'm going to put some avocado on this part, and I'm going to kind of just mash it onto the tortilla a little bit. And avocado is so delicious. I love it. It's such a great healthy fat. I like it on so many different things, but add a little avocado to that, and then I have some leftover taco meat. My family loves taco night. We have taco night at about once a week, and there's always usually a little bit of leftovers, so I like to have these usually the next day, or even on taco night. I'll make myself one of these wraps while the kids and my husband are having regular tacos. So I'm going to add on some shredded cheddar cheese, and you can also use a Mexican blend. But so there's 4 sections and 4 different little items, and so I'm going to fold these up into a little folded wrap. I'm going to put this into my air fryer, and it takes about 5 minutes, and then everything will be all nice and melted. The cheese will be all melted, and it'll give it a nice little crunch to the tortilla a little bit. And these are so good, nice and low carb. So I'm going to add in my liner to my air fryer. You guys know that I love my air fryer liners. It just makes cleanup so easy. Even though these wraps, they're not messy, but sometimes the cheese will kind of come out when it's melting. But these air fryer liners are so awesome. I'll put a link to them in the description box, as well as my air fryer that I love, that I use so much. I got them both on Amazon, so I'll put a link to those if you want to check them out. Just go to the description box and click on those links. So this one is so good, definitely one of my favorite. The next crunch wrap I'm going to make, I have my tortilla again. So these are 5 net carbs for this whole tortilla, which is really awesome if you're trying to cut back on carbs, if you're on low carb diet or keto diet. These tortillas are really great. And so like I said earlier, I use the burrito size, but they also make like a smaller size as well that you could use. And I think the smaller ones are 3 grams of carbs. But this one I'm going to make is going to be a pizza wrap. So I have my pizza sauce, and you can add any toppings that you would really like on your pizza. I'm going to do a pepperoni and bell pepper wrap for this one. I'm going to add in my mozzarella cheese, and then I'll add in my pepperoni and my bell peppers, and then this one will be ready to go in the air fryer, and I'll fold it up just like I did the first one. So these are super easy, really fun to make, and really delicious, and you can customize them to your liking with any of your favorite ingredients. You can add some other pizza toppings if you like olives on your pizza or mushrooms, any kind of, or maybe a sausage, cooked sausage, whatever you like on your pizza. You can just add into whatever section you'd like of this wrap and just wrap it up. And these are so good. So this one's ready for the air fryer. I'm going to add in my liner again. I got this pack of liners. It comes in 100 in a pack. So I definitely love these, and they're just disposable. And so I can just use them, toss them out when I'm done, and they're just so convenient. So the cheese is all nice and melty, and this is really yummy. It's a really delicious one. This turkey bacon ranch is definitely one of my favorites. I love anything with bacon. And I made my bacon in the air fryer yesterday. If you guys have been around my channel, you know that I love making my bacon in the air fryer. I like to make a batch of it like every few weeks or so. But I'm going to add into the first section some ranch dressing. And then I am going to add in, I have cheddar cheese, and then I just have regular deli turkey meat, and then the bacon. And then I'm going to wrap this one up. This one's definitely one of my favorites. I pretty much like anything with ranch dressing, so this one's really good. This one would be really good cold also, but I just love heating it up in the air fryer and just giving the tortilla just a little bit of a crunch. It doesn't make it like really crispy, but it does give it a little, just a little crunch to it and makes it really good. And it warms everything up, kind of like a pressed hot sandwich in a way. But these are really good. But this one, you can definitely have this one cold as well if you'd like. And the next one I'm going to make is going to be, it's going to be a tuna wrap. And so I'm going to add in some mayonnaise, a little bit of mayonnaise, and then I have to shake it a little bit to get it out of my container. I like the squirt container because I don't really like to stick my hand into a big old mayonnaise jar, but so I like the squirt one. So mayonnaise, and then I have a can of tuna. I like the tuna in water. I don't really like the one that's in oil, but I'm going to drain the water and then add that into the next section. So I'll have some tuna on there. I'm going to add in some Monterey Jack cheese, and then I'm going to add some pickles as well. And this will be kind of like a tuna melt wrap, and then it'll just cook in the air fryer just like the other ones. And it'll the cheese will be melted, and everything will be delicious. So this one's really yummy. I hope that you guys liked these wrap ideas. They're so fun to make, and definitely way more low carb than a sandwich. And I love making anything in my air fryer. You guys know that. So these are really fun to make and great for lunches. And they're really quick also. You guys know I love quick recipes and super easy. So I hope that you enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I would love to know. And I hope that you all have a really great day. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. And don't forget to click that bell button so that you get a notification each time I post a new video. Tons of healthy recipes on my channel. So if you are new, go check those out and leave me a comment. I hope that you have a really awesome day. Thanks so much for watching. And if you are in the market for a new air fryer, I will link this one in the description box. So check it out on Amazon. It is really wonderful. It gets awesome reviews. And I definitely did a lot of research when I got it because I wanted a really good one. So this one's awesome. So check it out. I hope that you guys have a great day. And I will see you all next time. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye-bye.